Welcome to 2021. It's a new year and we are off and racing into it. This video will give you a rundown of what to expect in 2021 from my channel here on YouTube. If you're a nature photographer, you definitely need to watch this. I'm about to get into it, so don't go away. Hi, I'm Barry Callister of Photographer's Freedom, taking you from beginner to better to business. At photographersfreedom.com and here on my YouTube channel, you will find photography tutorials, camera gear reviews, photography business tips, and more, all designed to help you no matter where you are in your photography journey. Subscribe if you like the sound of that, and also hit that notification bell so you can get notified when I release a new video. Right now, let's get into what's coming in 2021 here on my channel. This year, I want to make sure that you get the most from my channel as possible. With this in mind, I'll be doing loads of camera tutorials. There will be more photography business videos to help you make more money with your photography and absolutely smash it with your photography businesses in 2021. I haven't done a great deal of photography gear reviews to date, so I'll be doing some more of them as well this year to help you find some awesome gear that will make your photography experiences all that much easier and more enjoyable. I'm going to do at least one vlog each month to let you know what I'm up to and show you the photography that I'm enjoying, and also some of the beautiful mid-north coast of New South Wales here in Australia. I know that a lot of my subscribers are Nikon D5200 users too, so this year I'll be doing a lot more videos with the D5200 in mind. I'm going to look into more settings and features on the D5200 to help you learn how to make the most of this awesome DSLR camera. You can expect videos such as how to change ISO on the D5200, the D5200 histogram, so important to make sure that you're getting those exposures just right. I'm going to talk about Nikon D5200 flash settings, bracketing on the Nikon D5200, how to blur the background with Nikon D5200, and so much more. And I'll be giving away loads of free extras and resources with all of these videos to help you remember and use the information when you turn YouTube off and head out there to take photos. If you're watching me for the first time and you are loving the sound of all of this, please subscribe and ding the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. So that, my friend, is what you can expect here on my channel in 2021. It's going to be an amazing year and I'm happy to share it with you. I will be back next week with the first Nikon D5200 video for the year, all about live view. We'll take a deep dive into the live view pool and look at how and why to use it and all the settings you'll find when you do use it. Until then, I'm Barry Callister of Photographer's Freedom. Get out there, take some wicked shots, and I'll see you soon.